Yes.
Okay, yeah. For the page 259, look at this. Here is information about 30 students in a class. 18 of students do not walk to school. Yeah, you see there in the total of people who are not walk to school. And then 3/4 of the students who walk to schools are boys. So this is 3/4, means 3/4 times 12, because this is 12. Are boys, so 9. Because 3/4 of the students who walk to school. Students who walk to school is 12. So 3/4 is 3/4 times 12. Got it, class? For this, do you understand?
Yes.
3/4
Yes.
means 3/4, yeah? So you need to multiply 3/4 by 12. You get 9. And by subtracting 12 by 9, you will get 3. Okay? Okay. Now, there are 6 more girls than boys who do not walk to schools. This is the model. Okay? This is the model so that you will have the altogether one is 18. This one is 6. So to find out this one, you may subtract 18 by 6, this one, and then divide it by 2 to get 1 and 2, this one. So that you will get, this one is 6. 6, yeah? And then this one also 6. So now 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. Is it correct? Okay, yeah. So this one is correct. And then 9 plus 6 is 15. 3 plus 12 is 15. So 30. Okay. For number 8, any questions, class? Okay, chat, any question, chat? Please make sure this answer to your book, yeah? Please write it to your book. Have you done writing? All, have you done writing? Rifa, done?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Miss.
Sarah, Fira, Afa, Bagas?
Yes.
Okay.
Almost, Miss.
Almost. Okay. Finish it then. Ryu, are you on the way to somewhere, Ryu? Yeah. Yeah.
No,
For this.
Miss, I don't bring any book, Miss.
So, do you have any idea for this, Ryu?
Screenshot.
Have you do it?
Yes.
Okay, now this one. Here is a Venn diagram for sorting numbers. Write each numbers in the correct place on the diagram. So for this, I think it's quite clear, yeah? This means that multiples of 10 and also multiples of 5. Of course, all of multiples of 10 is also multiples of 5, right? Any multiples of 10 is multiple of 5 too.
Yes. Ini pas itu ada di pertanyaan Cambridge checkpoint yang simulation. Ya, simulation ada, Miss.
Yeah, this one is already in the
Miss.
simulation one. Okay, yeah. So next, this one, it's also the same. For this, you need to check from each this even and multiple of 5. So this in the middle is what we call irisan. In bahasa we call it irisan. So it also belongs to multiple of 5 and it also belongs to even number. So that we put 20 right here. And it's multiple of 5, not always even, so 25. And then 18 is even number, 22 is also even number right here. And because 23 is not belong to any of these, so 23 out here. Okay? Got it? Okay, I'm still seeing someone's writing.
Okay.
Okay, ya. Done ya. Next. This one is the same, yeah. This is the same questions, but without 18. So we can skip it. Okay, now to do this one, to short this one, we need to see this one first. We need to see the title. This is 2-digit number and multiple of 3. This one both 2-digit number and multiple of 3. And then we get the circles here. Okay. And this one multiple of 3, but not a 2-digit number. Multiple of 3, but not a 2-digit number. This one. Yeah. And then 2-digit number, but not a multiple of 3. This one. And then not a 2-digit number and not a multiple of 3. You may put it out here. Or out here, it's okay. Or out here, it's okay. Or here. Yeah. Okay, any question till this one? Sampai sini ada pertanyaan?
Oh,
Okay, ya. Okay, now to this. The Venn diagram shows information about the children in grade 6 class. How many children in this class walk to school? This one all belongs to walk to school. So, how many students class?
19.
Ada berapa?
19.
19? Okay, let's add them all together. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. What is it? 12 plus 7.
19.
19. Okay, ya.
Yes, 19.
Okay, that's for the first graph. Now this one, graph pictograms and pie chart. It's quite easy. It was what is it? It was learned in grade 2, right? Okay, now we will go to page 261. Oh, 264. Okay. Okay, I need Atta. Please read it, Atta. Oh, Atta connection is not good. Oh, Atta. Atta, please read, Atta.
Setelah S yang tiga diskus dan pakai spot ketika kolam shows the result.
Okay, thank you.
Ball.
Okay, look at this. Now, each of these symbols equals to 4 people. So when we know this means 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, class? Got it? So how many people choose basketball? 4 and 4. So 8, yeah? Okay, good. 8. And then 10 people choose swimming. Complete the pictogram. So what should you do there? Complete the pictogram.
Alia pick swimming.
Yeah, thank you, Sarah.
Do you remember?
Yeah. Not about Alia, yeah. Okay, looks like Sarah, this one. Okay, thank you ya, Sarah ya. Hey, got it, class? Like Sarah, this one. The B one. Let me clear all drawing. Because this is 4, and we need 2 more. So it's only a half, yeah. With I and a half smile. Afa, can you show me what you're doing now? Show to the camera, please.
I'm still writing it, Miss.
Afa?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
It's
already
blurry.
do
It's
this, Miss.
blurry. I can't see anything.
Oh,
Remove
okay.
your filter first.
I already do it.
Bagas
Miss.
tuh ya, get ready ya, Bagas. Bukan yang itu kan, Pak? Oh, iya, oke. Oke, Ava. Belum digambar itu piktogramnya yang kayak gini.
Yeah, not yet that one.
Yuk, digambar. Bagas, show it to the camera, please.
Wait, Miss. Belum itu aku udah lakuin kemarin, Miss, pas offline. Sampai itu.
Alhamdulillah.
Sampai halaman 179.
Good. Tuh, Bagas juga belum digambar tuh smiley-nya. Yuk, digambar yang ini.
Iya,
Rifa,
iya,
have you?
Miss. Tadi disconnect, jadi fokus.
Iya, Po, disconnect, Po.
Iya, tadi dia ada WA ke aku juga.
Okay, thank you, Rifa. You did it. Okay, ya.
Valid,
Now
no cap.
we can go to the next one, ya. Okay, look. Here is the pictogram to show mini beasts found by class 3. Each of these pictures show one mini beast. How many spiders did class 3 find?
6.
How many spiders?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's easy, yeah. Quite easy, yeah. Next. This one. Class 4 did a survey with the different ways students come to schools. Here are the results. Each of these, in week 1, each of these represent 5 students. In week 2, each of these represent 10 students. Okay. What do you think, class? How many students walk to school in week 2? In week 2,
45.
Walk to school 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 and a half, 45, yeah? Thank you. And then this is still the same. Rajiv says more students come to school by bicycle in week 1 than in week 2. This is week 1. This is week 2. How many students in week 1 using bicycle?
15.
15. How many students in week 2 using bicycles?
20.
20. So is Rajiv correct?
No.
Explain why he is wrong. How do we explain it here? Rajiv wrong because Rajiv was wrong. Rajiv is wrong because how do we
A
explain it?
picture in week 1 represents 5 students, but week 2 shows 10.
Yeah, the
Yes.
picture in week 1 represent 15 students, but in week 2 represent 20 students, which is more in week 2, yeah, which is the week 2, which okay, this one, yeah. Okay, now number 4, class. George count the number of boats sailing into a harbor on 5 days. Each of these represent 10 boats, and if a half, 5 boats. Yeah. How many boats does George count sailing into the harbor altogether? Altogether. What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and a half. So 15 and a half. What do you think, class? How many altogether?
155.
155, yeah. That's right. 155. Okay, look. Yosef asked his friends to vote for their favorite flavor of crepes. The tally chart shows their votes. This one. So how many is the plain one, class here? How many number of friends like the plain flavor?
12.
12.
Yeah, good. How about the cheese and onion?
6.
6. How about the salt and vinegar?
15.
15. So how many friends did Joseph ask all together?
33.
33. Is it a correct, class? Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now how about this? Take the pictogram that correct shows in the information in the tally chart. Which one's correct? Okay, let's see. From the plain one, there is 12 students. So if 2, we need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one correct. Cheese onions is 6. Correct too. Salt and vinegar is 15. It's not correct ya. It's not even. Kalau ini berarti 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ini baru 14. It's not correct. Then it's one friend. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kurang ya. Ini 11. Bukan. Okay, this one incorrect. This one 11, so it's wrong. How about this? 4 friends. 1, 2, 3. So it's 12. And then this is 6. How about this? 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it correct, class?
Yes.
Yes, so this one. How about this? Okay. Kalau di Cambridge checkpoint, when you are working on Cambridge checkpoint, we can have 2 or maybe 3. Yeah, it's not always 1. So don't stop only after finding this, yeah. Please continue on this one. If this is represent 5 friends, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one okay, yeah. 12. This one 7. So it's not this one. Okay, yeah. So the answer is B1. This one. Next. Okay, for this, any question first? Any question, class?
No.
Afa?
No.
Okay, yeah. Next. Class 6 run the school snack shop. Okay, now I need Afa to read it. Afa.
Okay. Classic.
Your voice is very low. Would you please to come closer?
Okay, now is it
Okay, good.
Classic run the school snack shop. They record how many fruit they sell in a week on both pictogram and bar chart.
Yeah. So this one in the pictogram, this one is a bar chart. Yeah. The charts, okay, Afa?
The charts are not complete. Each chart only shows the information for 3 fruits. Complete the chart so they show the same information.
Okay, can anyone help me for this? Maybe I will need Arkan's help and Arkan for this, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna write it here. Arkan here. And then Kanes here. And then for the bananas here, Rona. And for the pears is Bagas. Okay, please.
I draw, Miss.
Oh, just write using, what is it? Circle, it's okay. Because when you draw something like this in the computer, it's gotta be hard, right? Okay, is Arkan correct, class?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. How about Kanes? Okay, is Kanes Dan kelas?
I cannot see the drawing of the miss. Am I lagging or something?
Yeah, this means like this ya. Okay, is connect correct class? Bener nggak pitch-nya? Oh ya, yang ini setengah ya, yang ini ya. Okay, because this is 50. So for this, it's only a half ya. So like this. Like this. Only like this. Okay. Because this is 50. Harusnya kan per 20 kan. 20, 20 yang ini. Oke, Rona, Bagas, please write it here.
I make a bar, right? Some kinds of a bar. Wait,
Yeah, a bar.
I'm trying to click on the annotate.
Oh, okay then. Okay, can you help us, class? The bananas.
Okay,
Is
here.
how many, class?
1, 2, 3.
How many is the bananas? How many fruits for bananas?
70.
1, 2, 3.5. 3.5 times 20 is 70. So right here. Oh, I'm just gotta use this directly. So this, yeah. And for Bagas, the pears is only 20. So it's right here. Okay. Do you think it's until this one, class?
Salah coret itu, Mi.
Salah coret. Oh. Oke ya. Next. This one. How many more people visit the aquarium on Saturday than Thursday? The Thursday, how many? Ichat, how many people on Thursday, Ichat?
20. 40.
40. Okay. How many people on Saturday? Narai?
100.
100. So how many more people visit the aquarium on Saturday than Thursday?
60.
100 minus 40 is 60. Gampang ya ini ya. Okay, now you may see the temperature in Beijing and the rainfall in Beijing. In which month is the average temperature higher than 30? In which month higher than 30?
July.
July.
July. Let's see. It's quite small, yeah, the data. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. In which month? So you can say not only July, yeah, because we have this 30 something, 31.
Yes.
It's also in June,
June,
July,
July,
and
August.
So you may write them all, or you may write like this, June to August, or maybe June, July, August. And then the B1, Pierre wants to go to Beijing on holiday. He wants the temperature to be between 20 and 30. He also wants to the least amount of range. In which month should he go to Beijing? Yang mana coba? I want Ata answer this. Yang mana Ta kira-kira? This one, the B one. Yang paling sedikit hujannya juga ya. Bulan apa kira-kira?
April.
April ya, that's right. Coba kita lihat in the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. I need to write April first. Why do we choose April? Lihat di sini yang this one in between 20 up to 30 they are May, April, and then October and September. Now let's see the rainfall, curah hujannya. This is April, May, September, and October. The lowest rainfall is in April. So the best time to go to Beijing is at April, yeah. Why don't people come in the rainy season? Why?
Ya, kehujanan terus, Miss, nggak bisa travel.
Betul. Kehujanan terus nggak bisa travel. Jadi harus pilih yang curah hujannya paling sedikit ya. It's actually better in December or January. Why don't they choose this one?
Too cold.
Too cold ya.
Yes,
Temperature is
the
only
temperature.
2 degrees Celsius, so it's too cold. Jadi nggak hujan sih, tapi dingin banget guys gitu. So that's pertimbangan kalau kalian mau pergi-pergi ke luar negeri ya. Later when the pandemic is end. Okay ya. Now we still have only 3 more pages. Can we do it faster? Okay, let's do this. How many more students choose lion than tiger? How many more students? How many? 8. How many lion? 20.
20.
And then the tiger?
8.
So the answer is 8. Okay, good. Next. 9 students choose cheetah. Draw a bar on the chart to show this. This one ya. Cheetah. Berapa tadi? 9. So it's 10, it's 8, so it's
Yes.
in the middle of 10 and 8 ya. Next. Complete the frequency column. What should we write here? 5, 10, 15, then
17.
17. And then this one 5 and
9.
9. He puts all of this information into the bar chart. Draw the bar chart for mint. Mint is 13. 13 is after 12 ya. Right here. Okay, next this. Anastasia complete the number of birds visiting the garden. This from 10 up to 5. After 3 p.m. she saw 28 birds. So how do we complete the chart, class? 28, is it right here? Is it right here?
No,
No? Why?
because it's after 3 p.m. but not before 4 p.m.
That's right. Because we already have this is 10 sama after 3 p.m. kan ini juga ikut. Jadi udah ada 10 di sini. We just need to add 18 more ya. So 18 is right here. Okay ya. And then now this one, Anastasia said between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. twice as many birds visited the garden than between 11 and noon. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. is this. 11 to the noon is this one. Ini berapa? 24 ya? This one?
Itu sih 1000 ya, Miss.
1000. Which one, Icat? Is it twice, class?
Yes.
Yes. Explain your answer. Please explain. You need to explain too. What do I press? Okay, how do you explain for this class? Gimana? At between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. there are how many birds? How many birds, class? Many, how many? Ayo dong, fokus.
12.
How many birds?
24.
24 birds. Which is twice. Twice as many as bird in 11 a.m. to noon. Okay, done. Oh, is it done already? Udah ya, selesai ya. Okay, so that is for page 255 up to 273 class. I'm gonna send this in your Google Classroom so that you can access it. And for the evidence that you already working on this one, you may submit your work there too. Ya, silakan di foto, di submit. Nggak usah semua. Maximum 5 photo only. Maximum 5 photo ya. Feel free to choose which page you are gonna take
Miss, but
pictures.
photo all of the page, Miss. Gimana dong, Miss?
Nggak usah semuanya nanti kebanyakan. Ya.
Tapi udah nggak sengaja ke submit. Jadi di itu aja, Miss.
I don't even, Miss ini bahkan belum bikin loh, Nerai. Coba yang mana checkpoint. Oh ini kemarin. Bukan yang ini Nerai, ini yang min median mode. Nanti tak bikinin lagi. Nerai upload ulang ya, oke?
Oke.
This one. Okay ya. So the title is graph. Math graph. Page 255 up to 273. Upload your work. 5 pictures maximum ya. Here. Okay, just like that everyone. Thank you for today. For tomorrow, for tomorrow morning, we are going to continue discussing about graph and chart. Maybe you can try it first at home. The next page 281. Up to finish. Up to 290. 281 up to 290. For tomorrow morning. Okay? That's all. Any questions first?
Miss.
Okay, please, those who are not starting the video, start the video, please.
Miss, will you send us the
start the video.
I will send the recordings. Okay, ya.